What's up, all my investors? It is Shaddai, and I'm back again with another HINANCE video breaking down the complex financial world for everyday people like me and you so we can get to this moolah, this money, this cheddar. Today, of course, I'm talking about Nokia, their monthly chart, some stuff I want y'all to see. But of course, before we get there, I do need to show my appreciation to you. Yes, you watching right now. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you. Even if you've only been here for the first time, even if you already think that this is going to be your last time watching, I appreciate you all. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a little button right here and like the video. Now let's get into this. This is an interesting little chart I seen, and I wanted to just share with y'all, for all my people that are part of the Nokia gang, Nokia family. This one's going to the moon within 5 years. I'm gonna call it. It'll probably double, triple. Who knows? The time will tell, right? So let's look at this monthly Nokia stock monthly price chart. I want y'all to watch it here with me. And there's some interesting things here. First thing I want everybody to note is all the way to the bottom left is the July 2012 multi-decade lows. This means that this was a low that the company was at for multiple decades. They've been off to a rough start these last few years, but they're working their way up, and they at least admit where they've been wrong and how they've got a wrong start on 5G. But there's potential going forward, and I will be having another video this week, so make sure you watch that one about the CEO, some details that the CEO mentioned. But yes, so from 2012 2014, you've seen a nice little increase. It jumped all the way up to around about like 780, which is the key support area, technically based off the last 10, 12 years, 15 years. That's the key support area. I say it's around like 780, but I could be off by a few cents. You have seen from 2014 to 2020, you did see more of a down channel, which kind of tells me that when I'm looking at it, we're at the bottom. We're at the bottom, and I feel okay with that because I know the things and the technology that they're working with in pushing forward and selling their services is for something that is still for the future. We don't have the complete 5G infrastructure thing figured out yet. It's not completely rolled out, and it's going to be the cycle of the 5G is going to be pretty long, and we haven't even fully got into it. So I think that there's some type of uptrend potential just by seeing that, because we're at the bottom. When you're at the bottom, I guess you can go lower, but what's usually when you're at the bottom, the next thing is to go up. That's how I see it. So key support area around the 780 range. In January, you did see a quick jump to like $10. I think it maxed out at one point, high of $10. That was like a blimp in the screen. No one really knows why. They're blaming Wall Street bets. And it came down, and I like the levels that it's at right now. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. And part of my strategy is I like looking at these big charts, with lots of years and lots of data in them, because it kind of just history repeats itself, and sometimes you can tell a lot of things through looking at charts. Sometimes you can get a different feeling. Everybody's different. Everybody has different opinions. Everybody has a different vision. But looking at this monthly chart, it just creates, in my eyes, a more bullish feel in the long term, next 5 years. And I think that they have the potential. They have the potential. They have the technology that they're working on that our country really needs. And I'm gonna continue to add my positions in this stock. And I'm not telling you to do that. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am telling you to watch Nokia, because when the rocket takes off, I will not be able to do nothing for you. I will not be able to do nothing for you. And shout out to everybody who caught on to me saying 200 shares was going to get me rich. In the last video, I didn't mean to say 200. Sometimes when I'm just making these videos, I just there's just so much information in my head. I'm just spitting out. Obviously 200 shares make me rich, just based off the numbers. But I probably meant like 2,000 shares. I don't know. Sometimes I just be like, I just start talking. But anyways, Nokia to be on the moon, because that's where we're going with this one. I'm going to continue to do these Nokia videos. If I missed anything, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this chart. Does it speak anything to you? Or are you just confused? Let me know. I want to know, even if you are confused. That way we can kind of look at it. I'm not going to live off this chart, but I will take in the information and look at the numbers and look at the trends and look at how it's going. I think it's very helpful for just when it's, as far as when to invest and not to. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. There's a button right there for you lazy people. Just hit it. It will do what it needs to do. I appreciate y'all again. Have a good rest of y'all day. Nokia to the moon.
Follow me on Instagram at shaddaipenamgmt.